Puffy eyes and dark circles are something many of us struggle with, and they can make us feel really self-conscious. You might think it's just from being tired or not getting enough sleep, but the real reasons behind puffy eyes and dark circles are actually more complex. One of the main causes of puffy eyes and dark circles is fluid buildup in the thin layers of tissue around your eyes and can signal kidney stress. The kidneys regulate fluid and electrolyte balance, but when they don't function efficiently, the body retains excess fluid, often causing puffiness around the eyes. Poor kidney function can cause toxin buildup in the blood, affecting oxygen levels and circulation, which can lead to darker under-eye areas due to poor blood flow. Low protein levels from kidney issues can also cause fluid leakage into tissues, making dark circles and puffiness more noticeable. So it is important to keep your kidneys functioning optimally and get them checked by your doctor if you have any concerns. Now, don't confuse puffy eyes with swollen eyelids. Swollen eyelids are usually caused by allergies, infections, or inflammation. Puffy eyes, on the other hand, are more about fluid retention and skin changes due to aging, diet, and lifestyle. In this video, we will look at the main causes of puffy eyes and dark circles, explore some natural remedies, and even look at some simple lifestyle changes that will keep your eyes looking fresh and healthy. Stick around till the end of this video. As a special bonus, we will give you some pro tips on teas and how you can use them to reduce puffy eyes and dark circles. Links to powders and supplements featured in this video can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video so your friends and family can benefit from this knowledge. Everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and not a replacement to advice, diagnosis, or treatment provided by your healthcare professional. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or starting any new supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions or you are taking medications. Let's look at some of the leading causes of puffy eyes and dark circles, and how we can keep the area around our eyes looking fresh and vibrant long term. One of the biggest causes is too much sugar in the bloodstream, which leads to insulin resistance. Here's how it works. Eating too much sugar makes your body produce excess insulin to manage blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, where your cells stop responding properly to insulin. When this happens, your body retains more sodium, which causes water retention, leading to puffiness, especially around the eyes. This is also why people with prediabetes or early-stage type 2 diabetes often have puffiness and dark circles. Their bodies are holding on to extra fluid due to insulin resistance. What can we do about this? One possible answer is to cut down on sugar, salt, and carbs. If you reduce sugar, salt, and refined carbs, your body won't hold on to as much sodium and water, meaning less puffiness. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can reduce insulin resistance, helping to decrease under-eye puffiness naturally. Start small and gradually increase your fasting time if it works for you. Another major cause is too much sodium in your diet. Foods that are high in sodium, like processed snacks, fast food, and MSG-filled meals, make your body hold on to water, leading to swollen eyelids and under-eye bags. This is why it is so important to pay close attention to the ingredients in packaged foods by always checking the labels. Aim for lower sodium options and avoid MSG, also known as monosodium glutamate. Try experimenting with herbs, spices, or lemon juice to help reduce salt intake whilst retaining all that flavor when cooking. Keep an eye on condiments like soy sauce or ketchup, which could also contain MSG or excess salt. Potassium can also help balance sodium levels and reduce fluid retention. But instead of bananas, go for avocados, spinach, beet greens, and mushrooms for a natural potassium boost. Whenever you eat carbs, your body stores some of them as glycogen. The problem? Each gram of glycogen holds onto 3 grams of water. That means eating too many carbs can make your body retain extra water, especially around your eyes. You can limit carb intake by monitoring portion size or prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods high in proteins and healthy fats. When you're dehydrated, your skin and organs hold onto water as a defense mechanism, which can cause swelling in the face and under eye area. You should aim to drink 2.5 to 3 liters of fresh water every day to keep your skin hydrated and your kidneys healthy. Poor sleep quality can cause blood vessels to dilate and fluid to accumulate, leading to darker and puffier under eyes. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. To improve your sleep, stick to a consistent sleep schedule, avoid caffeine at least 6 hours before bed, and finish eating 3 hours before bedtime. Iron deficiency, also known as anemia. Low iron levels reduce oxygen supply to tissues, making the under-eye area look darker and more tired. If diagnosed by a doctor, they will provide you with the appropriate treatment plan for anemia. This could include increasing intake of foods high in iron like seafood, poultry, dark leafy greens, beans, and lentils. Increasing foods high in vitamin C like citrus fruits, bell peppers, and tomatoes can help your body absorb iron more effectively. UV exposure can increase melanin production, causing hyperpigmentation around the eyes. Wearing sunglasses with 100% UV protection acts as a physical barrier, shielding the sensitive periocular area from sun exposure that can trigger excess pigment formation, which helps to maintain an even skin tone, especially around the eyes. Still watching? As a special bonus, let's look at special teas which can help with those puffy eyes and dark circles. Consuming certain teas can also help reduce swelling, improve circulation, and keep your eyes looking fresh. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and caffeine, which help tighten skin, improve circulation, and reduce fluid buildup. It also fights free radicals, keeping your skin looking youthful. Pro tip: save your used green tea bags, chill them in the fridge, and place them over your eyes for an extra depuffing effect. Chamomile is known for its soothing, anti-inflammatory properties. It helps calm irritated skin, reduce swelling, and even fight dark circles. Drinking chamomile tea before bed can also improve sleep quality, which is essential for preventing puffiness in the first place. This one's a natural diuretic, meaning it helps flush out excess sodium and water retention, a key factor in under-eye puffiness. If you've had a salty meal or a little too much sugar, sipping on dandelion tea can help your body rebalance. Our video on how to cleanse and detox your kidneys can help you further in your fight against puffy eyes and dark circles. Link is in the description below. There you have it. None of us like puffy eyes or dark circles, but now you understand some of the possible root causes and how to help your body deal with them. We hope this will help your eyes look more luminous and radiant. Until next time, stay well, stay vibrant, and take care of your body naturally.